Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dawn Marie and I'm going to share with you the tools that I added to my business to help me get more digital product sales. Now, I finally hit that 1K mark in my digital product business, and it's my goal to get to 1K per month just from selling low ticket digital products. And to do that, I had to make some important changes to my business, and I'm going to share that with you today. Now, if you're at the point where you're just getting started with your digital product business, or you're looking to improve your process, then make sure to check out my 10-day action plan to launching and selling digital products, which I've linked in the description box below, where I take you through step by step over the next 10 days everything that you need to do to come up with, launch, and sell your own digital products. No guesswork needed. So I've also included all the tools that I use in this action plan, including how I use them and in what order. And guys, the steps that I share in this action plan is exactly what I've been doing over the past 6 months to reach my first $1,000 in digital product sales. I'm so excited about that. Okay, so now, the first tool that I added to my business was Sendal. Sendal is an all-in-one platform specifically designed for digital product creators to help you sell your digital products. Now, the good thing about Sendal is it integrates with two popular platforms on the internet that allows anyone in the world to make payments using their credit or debit card. And if they don't have credit or debit card, then people turn to PayPal. Now, before Sendal, I was actually using just the lead pages, which integrated only with Stripe. Lead Pages did allow you to add a PayPal button to your website to take payments, but the problem with that is that when the user purchased the product through PayPal, there was no safe way to deliver their digital product to them through a secure process. So Lead Pages tell you to forward the customer to a website, but anyone could actually find out the link to that website and download your product for free. So I had to find something else that would help secure that download. And that's why I decided to use Sendal, because Sendal has an API with PayPal. It means that when a customer makes a purchase, they're not redirected to a general website link, but that anyone can easily find. But Sendal creates a unique download link for every customer that gives them access to the product once it is purchased. You can also make sure that the product can be fulfilled via email, which offers a more secure way of getting purchases as well. And for those of you who don't know what an API is, it's simply a tech term to describe the way that applications like Sendal and Payment can talk to each other to deliver an outcome. Now, since switching to Sendal, I get more digital product sales because I'm not only relying on offering Stripe, which are credit cards or debit card payments to customers, I'm giving them more ways to pay than just one. And when you offer multiple payment options for people to spend with you, you open up the possibility for you to get more digital product sales. I remember I would have people asking, do you take PayPal? Do you take PayPal? And I had to turn them away. So I had to find a different way for me to use PayPal as well, but in a safe way, and that was through Sendal. Okay, so here's how you can quickly get started with Sendal. Once you've created your account, and you can get a 3-month free trial with Sendal when you use the link in my description box below. Once you've set up the account, go ahead and create your first digital product. Then take the sell link and share that link anywhere on the internet to get people to buy your product. Now, when someone clicks on that link, they're taken to a checkout page where both PayPal and credit card options are offered. Now, the next thing I added to my business to make more digital product sales are upsells. Now, what are upsells? So an upsell is a product that you offer to a customer that is typically a similar price or more expensive to encourage the customer to buy more. So of course, that product must be of value to help the customer in a different way, but the product should be closely related to or complement the existing product that the customer already has in their cart to make proceeding with the sale sensible to the customer. So for example, my sales page templates, I add an upsell called the Sales Page That Sells Toolkit, because I know if customers have purchased my sales page templates, then the next logical step for them is writing the sales page. And I know that my ebook can help with that, so I offer that as an upsell. It's more expensive, but it makes sense and is also relevant and complements the sales page templates. Another example is that I could sell an ebook template, but as an upsell, I could sell how to write, format, publish, and market an ebook to generate sales. So the upsell product in this case is relevant and complements the existing product that is already in the customer's cart. And guys, when I tell y'all how adding this helped me make more money, because instead of just selling one low ticket product, I was able to increase the average order value of my transactions to encourage customers to spend more with me. So for the upsell, you can also use Sendowl with this. Sendowl has an upsell feature that allows you to create upsells against existing products to help you sell more. So you don't need to get an additional tool to implement this into your business, but you can use Sendowl to do just that. That's why I highly recommend getting Sendowl if you don't have an effective tool to collect digital product payments and upsell your customers to additional digital products that you might have. And the last tool that I have included in my digital product business to generate more sales is something called Tripwire Pages. Now, what are Tripwire Pages? So these are pages that I've used in my workflow that makes a low priced offer to a subscriber, like a limited one-time offer to them when they subscribe, to ask them to make a small commitment with you. So I mean, this is one of the ways that I encourage my leads to become buyers of my products earlier, and it gives them a taste of my products that will later encourage them to buy more with me. So let's talk about how you can make this work for you as well. So let's say that you are a financial coach and you have a lead magnet that is a 7-day email course giving principles of personal finance. Then your Tripwire product could be a budget and investment guide that talks about the advanced budgeting techniques and investment strategies that people can use to create wealth, for example. So the Tripwire product in this case complements the actual freebie that you're offering for free, but you can offer the budget and investment guide, so that's the Tripwire product, as a lower priced product to encourage those leads who opted in for your freebie to become a customer at an earlier stage in the process. Another example is, let's say that my lead magnet is a beginner's guide to organic vegetable gardening in small spaces, where I'm sharing tips, techniques, and step-by-step instructions on how to start and maintain an organic vegetable garden in small spaces. Then my Tripwire can be a masterclass where I teach advanced techniques for organic vegetable gardening. So it might be video lessons instead of written instructions on organic vegetable gardening. So the easiest way that I can explain Tripwires is that it offers more in-depth content and advanced techniques of doing something. If you're selling info products, for example, if you're selling templates like I do, then the Tripwire could help customers save even more time in doing something. So those are the 3 tools that I have set up in my business to help me make more digital product sales. Sendowl, which is a platform used for selling digital products to help me offer more ways to pay to my customers. Then there's upsells, which I use to ask my customers to spend more money with me, but to offer additional value to them. And then the Tripwire to convert my subscribers or leads into customers at an earlier stage. Of course, these are more advanced techniques, but if you're just getting started with launching and selling your own digital product, then start with my 10-day action plan to launching and selling digital products, and then I'll make sure to leave some other resources below in the description box to help you along as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye now.